Go.
So now we're going to cover the recumbent bike. A lot of students use this for rehab, recovery. We tend to see a lot of students try to sneak out of cardio and get onto this machine because it is a non-weight bearing machine, and that's especially why it's good for rehab, especially knee injuries, hip injuries, ankle injuries. You're not bearing a lot of weight. So with this, the screen is very similar to our ellipticals and our new treadmill. But let's talk about the setup of the seat. Again, you want to have a slight bend in your knee. You don't ever want to be reaching with a straight leg, and you don't want to be bending where your hip and your knee become at 90 degrees. So the adjustment on this is very simple. It's a yellow lever under the seat where I'm going to push the seat forward or bring it backwards. You have a nice little trunk here for your supplies, and you also have heart rate monitors on the handles. To begin the machine, same as our ellipticals, you want to begin by pedaling. Okay, so I'm going to need to adjust the seat a little bit. Once I begin pedaling, you'll see the screen comes on. That's how we begin. We can do a quick start feature, or we can do programs. So you have manual, interval, variety, heart rate, weight loss, performance. Say I want to do a weight loss program. I hit that. From there, it's going to ask me a few different questions. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to enter my weight. So I just put in a number. And OK. And my age. All right. 35? Not? All right, so now you'll see the program begins at a lower level. I can change my resistance right here by bringing this number up. Okay, it's harder to push. Again, it allows you to get further in terms of your distance. Makes it a little bit more challenging. And I can lower it down if I want to make it a little bit easier. On these screens, we can make adjustments just by hitting these buttons to check the distance, speed, or I can check the time elapsed, time remaining, or my calories that have been burned. When I'm done, I just stop the machine.